Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose. You're watching another episode of Upstream Charlie. In today's episode, I will try my best to navigate and install properly the wallet of Satoshi. Uh, Many of you are using Binance here in Asia, and if you haven't heard the news, you could actually transfer for very, very cheap gas fee, as in 8 cents, your BTC, your Bitcoin coin, to your Lightning Network wallet. So the first one that I did was about, I hope it's here. It's not here. I did a video about it a couple of 3 weeks ago, and it's about moon. Okay, I am sorry. Let's remove the advertising. So it was about the Lightning Network, how to deposit, withdraw Bitcoin through the Binance platform using Strike. Okay, so that's the video, and you could see it from here. We skirt around it and try to connect Strike. Okay, unfortunately, originally the video was about Strike and Moon, but unfortunately I saw an update. Moon and Breeze Lightning BTC Lightning wallets are not yet allowed, or not yet enrolled in the system of Binance. So you cannot use Moon or Breeze, which is actually part of the top 10 or top 5 BTC Lightning wallets in the BTC Lightning network arena. Okay, but they're not included. So today, since we've done already Strike, will do Moon today. So this is Moon. I'm sorry, we'll do Wallet of Satoshi. Okay, Moon is still in my head, but I still have Moon in my mobile phone. So this is Wallet of Satoshi. So it's also available in Android. So FYI, I am using Android. I am not using an iPhone or an iOS. So you could download from here. Once you've downloaded it, of course, you could open the app, and you will land to this page or user interface. So obviously, you're not yet registered. So as you can see, you could see the logo and sats here, then send receive. You could also scan, and of course I'm not yet enrolled, so you have to enroll yourself. So you could also do point of sale. Let's see. I'm gonna try to enroll my my other email. We sent 2 random login words to your email address. Enter them here. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna get my email. Okay, so this is your login words are okay, so here small. Okay, so there I'm enrolled, right? So what else can we check? You could buy Bitcoin. Still launching. let's see if I could buy Bitcoin as an Asian here in Southeast Asia. It's taking so long. Dum, 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 dum. I think wallets of Satoshi is not applicable here. It's too taking so long. Let's skip this first, and then let's. If you want to sell Bitcoin, what will happen? You go to MoonPay. Okay, so coming soon to your region. Okay, it's not applicable here in my side of the planet. Then you could actually scroll for your country's coin or fiat. If I want Philippine peso, they also have Philippine peso, but I'm used to do USD, so I'm good. Okay, and English, of course, and they also have lots of languages here. Okay, so I'm good with English. How about find merchants and ATMs? Do we have a Bitcoin ATM here? This is the world map. Okay. Oh, 365? 365 what? 336? 20 in Manila? 17? There's 2 in Quezon City? Maybe these are the establishment that accepts Lightning Network. Okay. How about this one? Okay, a pet shop. And what else? In Makati, this is the business district. This is a hotel. Startup house for entrepreneurs. This one was a Tambunting shop. Okay, it's a money changer and a pawn shop. What's this? Terra Vibe Incorporated. No, I don't know this one. Coffee shop in Pasay. BT Plus Cafe. Okay, so let's X this one. What else? Contact support settings. Okay, BTC stat. And then if you want your biometrics, you could do so. Hide account balance. Then you have the daytime. Ooh, too bright. And the nighttime. Auto pay Lightning for small amounts. NFC, okay. So there you go. Aha. So what else? So if you want to receive okay, so here's your address if you want to receive a Bitcoin on chain, and this one is for the Lightning invoice. So again, if you're using the Lightning invoice, you just have to add the amount first, okay, in sats. Okay, so sats is basically cents, or the small ones. Anything below 1 BTC is are called sats. Okay, so you just put it there, and then you could generate the, let's say you say you're gonna put 0.0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0 Maybe, yeah, 5,000 sats, or there you go, you have an equivalent. So let's say 100,000 sats, or 100 sats, that's $29, okay, or $3, that's 10,000 sats. So, and then you could generate the QR code, or you could copy the address, or you could share it so they could send it to you, etc., etc. And you could also while using this app there, so you could scan a QR code. What else? You could summon, copy paste, etc. So basically that's it for wallet of Satoshi. So easy. Okay, so I'll try to connect it with Binance if I can. I'll do another video about that. So that's wallet of Satoshi for you. Okay, so again, this is Charlie Jose. See you on my next video. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and give us a thumbs up. So that's the wallet of Satoshi for you, another Lightning BTC Lightning wallet, okay, that you could use in Binance. Okay, so you could now purchase BTC and then have your own custody in your wallet, Satoshi wallet of the Satoshi. Okay, but try Strike too. I think Strike is also noteworthy, although even though the founder is popular, somehow his wallet is not in the top 10. I don't know why, but it's applicable in Binance, so check it out. So if I were you, try to select what wallet, BTC Lightning Network wallet you would like to choose. So I'm just showing it here, another alternative for you. Okay, so again, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much and see you on my next video. Goodbye, adios, arrivederci.